According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, Article 210.12c states that all 120-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere branch circuits supplying outlets installed in bedrooms shall be protected by a listed combination type arc fault circuit interrupter, commonly known as AFCI. However, Article 210.12c4 clarifies that AFCI protection is not required for outlets located outside of the bedroom. To apply these rules to your specific situation with electric fireplaces, it is important to understand how the code interprets the location of outlets. If the outlets for the fireplaces are located within the framing between the two rooms but are not accessible from inside the bedroom, they would likely not be considered to be installed in the bedroom according to the NEC definitions. Therefore, in this specific scenario, they would likely not require AFCI protection. The distance from the outlet to the edge of the door opening into the bedroom is not relevant in this determination. Future accessibility also does not determine the AFCI requirement. Even if the fireplaces are removed in the future, the outlets behind them would still not be considered installed in bedrooms if they are not accessible from within the bedroom itself. Therefore, in conclusion, based on this information and these guidelines, neither outlet for the fireplaces would likely require AFCI protection under the 2020 NEC. However, it is always advisable to consult with your local building inspector to confirm specific requirements and interpretations for your jurisdiction, as local amendments or interpretations may vary. Always prioritize safety and compliance with local electrical codes when performing electrical work.